You're making at least one of these English mistakes every single day, and you don't even know it. Most beginners make these same 5 mistakes, and they destroy your fluency, your confidence, and your speaking skills. But today, you're going to fix all of them. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes. Ready? Let's change your English forever. Mistake 1. Using very for everything. Most beginners use the word very way too much. You say, very hot, very cold, very tired, very happy. But native speakers don't speak like that. Here are better, stronger words. Very hot, boiling. Very cold, freezing. Very tired, exhausted. Very happy, thrilled. Example. It's very hot today. It's boiling today. Quick practice. Repeat after me. Boiling. Freezing. Exhausted. Thrilled. Mistake 2. Saying I don't know for everything. This makes your English sound weak, unsure, and low confidence. Here are better alternatives. I'm not sure. Let me think about it. I'll check and get back to you. Good question. Example. I don't know where the shop is. I'm not sure. Let me check. This sounds more natural and confident. Practice. Repeat after me. I'm not sure. Let me think. Let me check. Good question. Mistake 3. Saying he don't, she don't, they doesn't. This is one of the biggest grammar mistakes. Correct sentence pattern. He, she, it doesn't. They, we, you, I don't. Examples. He don't like coffee. Well, he doesn't like coffee. They doesn't understand. Well, they don't understand. Shortcut trick. If it's one person, use doesn't. If it's more than one, use don't. Practice. He doesn't know. They don't know. Mistake 4. Using literal translations from your language. This makes your English sound strange or confusing. Example mistakes. Open the light. Close the TV. I am having hunger. Correct English. Turn on the light. Turn off the TV. I am hungry. Rule. English has its own way of expressing ideas. Don't translate word for word. Practice. Repeat after me. Turn on the light. Turn off the TV. I'm hungry. Mistake 5. Saying every syllable. Robot English. Beginners pronounce every word too perfectly, but native speakers connect words. Examples. What are you doing? Sounds robotic. Native speakers say, Us, what you doing? When I'm gonna go. I don't want to do that. Let me see. These are called connected speech. Practice. Repeat. What you doing? I'm gonna go. Let me see. Quick summary. These are the 5 English mistakes almost every beginner makes. But the good news? Now you don't. 1. Stop using very for everything. 2. Stop saying I don't know all the time. 3. Fix don't, doesn't. 4. Don't translate from your language. 5. Speak with connected words. If you found this helpful, do one thing. Watch it again tomorrow. Your English will improve twice as fast. Comment I fixed it. If you want part 2, I'll make another video with 10 more mistakes beginners must stop making. See you in the next lesson.